See me poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a bottom man to my Robin. I'm official on a Gotti. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry.
Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Francine or Franny girl, and I am back with another video. I know it's been a couple of weeks, y'all, but I am back at it, and I wanted to bring you guys this super easy wraparound ponytail that I got from Amazon. I've been wearing my natural hair lately, or in a bun, or I've just been throwing on this ponytail. All right, guys, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel, and let's just go ahead and get started. All right, as you can tell, I already slicked my hair up, and I used the Eco Styler gel and the Got to Be Glued gel in the black bottle. I put like a double knotted ponytail because I wanted to stretch my hair, because I am going to be putting my hair in a big plait. And right here I'm just showing you guys where I'm about to lay my baby hairs, you know, just to make the ponytail look, you know, a little bit cuter. So that's what I'm doing. And yeah, for some reason my scalp has become very sensitive, so while I was doing my baby hairs, it was kind of hurting. I don't know why, if it's like the baby toothbrush, girl, I don't know, but I know my scalp was real sensitive. All right, y'all, so I just went ahead and did like some cute little sideburns. And then I'm just slicking my hair, just making sure my hair is just slick as it can be. As you can see, my hair is starting to wave up in the front, only because as I was trying to like lay down my baby hairs, I was kind of pulling some of the hair from the ponytail and was making my hair wave up, which I really did not like. But if y'all tie your hair down long enough, if you got the same texture hair as me, it can really slick it down. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and tied my edges down, and now I'm about to just plait my hair. And right here you see me pull it and tug, and I'm just trying to get my hair to stretch a lot more so that I can you know, plait my hair.
I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry. It's official. I'm a problem. I done made it this far. I'm not sorry.
Alright, guys, so this is what the packaging looked like. This is what the ponytail came in, and it came with like two cute little ponytail holders and some bobby pins, which I thought was really cute. Alright, so this is what the ponytail came in, and this is what it's looking like. If I didn't mention before, this is like a body wave ponytail that I got from Amazon. It's in the color 1B, and it's supposed to be like 22 inches. I don't know, I kind of felt like it was a little bit shorter than 22 inches. Maybe probably because I was wearing it on top of my head. I don't know, but that's what he said. All right, guys, so I'm just showing you that it comes with like a comb. And it's come with like this little pocket piece, which I think it was very neat, where you can stick like your bun or whatever you're doing to secure the ponytail. I'm basically going to be putting my braid in that part. And here's the velcro part. And this is the part where you wrap around the base of your ponytail. All right, y'all, so this is where I'm sticking my braid into the ponytail, which was it was a little bit difficult. So I suggest probably just putting your hair in a bun, or making two plaits instead of one like I did, you know, just depending on how thick your hair is. All right, y'all, so I'm starting to wrap it around the base of my what the hell was that? I'm starting to wrap the piece around the base of the ponytail.
I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry.
I love these ponytails, y'all. They so super quick and easy. They have like so many different kinds on Amazon. I'm gonna get one that's similar to the texture of my own hair. I'm excited about that. I don't know why I didn't get that one. All right, you guys, so I'm just gonna secure that with a bobby pin. And then I'm just going to lay down like the little hairs that was sticking up with my Got To Be Glued freeze spray. Alright, here I'm just messing around with it and, you know, just playing around with it to my liking. Because, girl, you know I'm very picky. So, I just couldn't get it how I liked it. But, it turned out pretty cute. Like I said, this hairstyle is super easy, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.
Poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a bottom man to my robin. I'm official on a god.